Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our Dodge Ramcharger full topper. Last year of them, 79. This is just an original truck out of Billings, Montana, I believe. According to the previous owner, had about $7,000 worth of mechanical work done to it just lately. So it runs, drives good. Cosmetic clean, windshield, seat ripped, and needs carpet. Not too rusty, a little bit here on both sides. Obviously patina with the faded paint and stuff. Prospector package, there's same rust on this side, but not bad at all. A few chips. So, pretty cool truck. You just want an original one and you want to go use it out. Take top off, go to the beach, take it out in the woods. Pretty cool truck. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.